In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can download Instagram Reels for free. Very easy with just a couple of clicks, okay? Let's launch the Instagram app and let's try to find a reel that we want to download. Let's say we want to download this reel over here with the lady, okay? All we gotta do is to click on the three dots on the upper right on top of the video, and then you want to click on the link button, okay? We'll just copy the link from this video on our clipboard. The second step is even easier. I want you to go on Google Chrome and find this website over here. It's called publer.io, okay? When you click on the website, all you gotta do is simply to paste the link that we just copied, click download, wait a couple of seconds, and boom! The video will appear over here. The app has no ads, no watermarks, and no registration required. All you gotta do is to click download and you have the video already in your account. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.